What's up, everybody? Welcome, I guess, to my first official unboxing video. Now, why am I doing an unboxing video? It's because, little backstory, I was at GameStop today to buy something. However, I was unsuccessful in that part. But I did find this. It's Samus's arm cannon thing, right? And this says power suit arm cannon. So yeah, that I mean, so wasn't a total loss, and it was on clearance. So I think that's a win-win. That's cool. It supposedly lights up, makes sounds, and everything. Let's not waste time. I know there's people out there who don't like to open up things. They want to keep them in the box. You know, keep them mint. Which I understand. You could do you. But I bought this thing. I can do whatever I want. And I'm going to open this thing. But, ooh. This. I think I can put my arm in there. Which one's the top? What's the, okay. Look at that. I'm liking this. Look at this. This looks awesome. I think I only feel one button, so yeah. I need to put the batteries in. Where did I put the batteries? Is it here? So I pop off one of these panels. I think it's this one. Ow. I don't want to damage it. But it just needs a little nudge. Come on. Ooh. Hopefully nothing broke. Oh, got that out. We've revealed the panel for the batteries. This thing's cool, but I will admit, I didn't know who Samus was until Smash Brothers. And even today, I've only played one Metroid game. Maybe I should play more Metroid games. If, they ever give us Metroid 4. I'm trying to find some batteries. Hold on. Am I going the right way? There we go. Cool. And just press the button. Do I need to turn it on? Like, does it not work? Didn't I get a switch? Didn't I do it right? It's not making sounds. Why aren't you making sounds? How do you... These are fresh batteries. I don't know why it's not working. I'm starting to get angry. Why aren't you working? Is there... Oh wait, hold on. Oh, I figured it out. The switch is like right here. I'm glad it works. Okay, so one press is standard blast. Ooh, it's a charging one. That's the B attack. With the oh, this is cool. This is so cool. I didn't know if I could stick my arm in there. I might have to do a cosplay of this. And no, it's not weird. It's not weird. Cosplay whoever I want. I got the arm cannon. What am I supposed to do with it? I could totally pull this off. Maybe not this, but I could pull this off. I don't know how to make it though. Hold on, I got an idea. Look at this. Okay, we got this. There. Oh my god. Worlds colliding right now. Just. I feel pretty cool. And it was kind of cool. Okay, it's off now. That's the off thing. So yeah, I mean, this thing is cool. I'm going to show this to every single person I know. Wait. So, literally right as soon as I turned off the camera, I looked back in the box. I think it's a display stand. Okay. Oh, okay. It's a little clear one. Okay, let's see. How does this... Should just plop right on there. I would assume it's like... Okay, I see. So there's little grooves. Okay, right there. Little grooves right there. That's not going anywhere. That's nice. Yeah, so life lesson. Always make sure you check the box. Okay, now we're good. Now I can display this thing properly. Okay, so that is now officially it. I've looked through the whole box, and now I'm going to go play with this thing some more. So, I'll catch y'all later.